Hello, welcome to this YouTube video. My name is Saskia from Poe Designs Creations, and today I'm going to show you how I will press this image on a tumbler. Tumblers in here on a sublimation tumbler. This tumbler is like 20-inch tall. It's a 20-inch tall tumbler, and we are going to do this together. Actually, if you check on this YouTube channel yesterday and the day before, the previous videos, you will see how I put this together, how I change the design up and put everything together in Silhouette Studio. So you can, if you want to know how I put it together, you can watch the video and you will see. Okay, like I told you, my tumbler is 20-inch. It's a 20-inch tumbler, and this is what we're going to print on today. If you need sublimation tumblers, I have on my website. You can get them there in bulk, and they sublimate really well, really well. And today we're going to do this together, and I'm going to show you everything you need to sublimate your tumbler. Now I'm gonna show you how to cut your paper. You can cut it with a scissor, but I cut it with this. I will cut it out really fast. Okay. And then I'll cut the other side. I always make my design a little bit bigger than the tumbler. Okay. Cut it. And I'm also gonna cut this, but I'm gonna cut it with a scissor. Make sure you cut out all the white places. This is the bottom, so I cut it, and the top I will cut the top too, because I can miss it. Okay, I can miss at the top, and then this white part here comes on the top, and then it will have a whole white spot, and I do not want that, so I will trim it here also. No white part. Let me see, a little bit is here. Okay, now we have our design. I love to clean my tumbler with a Lysol disinfectant, but make sure when you do this, your design is far away. Your design is far away. Mine is closely, but it should be far away. Your design is far away from your table, because you do not want any alcohol to come on your design. It will mess it up quickly. Okay, and after I'm done with that, I will dry it like I did. Dry it really dry. I'll put this one here. Okay, now let me dry my hands really well too, so that I don't get alcohol on my work. Okay, now I'm going to place my template on my cup. I will overlap it to this side, hold it really tight. Okay, I love that it's not really over the bottom, and also not too much over here. Okay, yep, I think it's good. Yeah, I will hold it like this. I will press it really hard, like together, press it really hard, and then I will tape it. Hold it and tape it. tape it from this side, sorry, from this side to the other side. Okay, let me do one more here, from this side to the other side. Okay. And I'm also going to place one across. Take one here. Okay, so we have this. Okay, now I'm gonna show you something. You see, this is the outside seam right here. This is the outside seam. This doesn't matter at all. What matters is the inside seam, the one on the inside. That's where you should run your fingers. If if your paper overlaps, if they overlap too big, like wide like mine here, the inside seam, you need to look for it. I forgot here. I will run the inside seam, run a card, you know, so that it can reach the cup. Okay. Yep. So it can reach the cup, so you don't have any ghostings. Okay, that's how I do mine. Okay, and then I'm going to tape around the top. Okay, I overlap to this way, so I'm going to start taping this way, like this. I'll go around it. I'll stretch it a little bit, go around it like twice. Okay, then I will tuck it in. You see, my paper overlaps it a little bit, a tiny bit, if you can see it, a tiny bit overlapping. And then we go to the bottom. Go to the bottom. Where is my tape? Okay, this side. I overlap from this side to this side, so I'm going to run my tape in the same direction. Okay. Okay, now I will do it like this, and the bottom and the top, and then I'll go to the bottom. I don't really overlap it much, only a little bit, only a tiny bit. Some people don't overlap anything at all, but it depends on how you're doing your tumbler. Overlap it a little tiny bit right there. Okay, so right now it's ready to be baked. This is my tumbler. First, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to test the size. If you have filled tumblers, you can do this. You push it in, and then you close it. And when you close it, when you close the tumbler, you need to push your tumbler. Try pushing it. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Let me show you really quick. Like, try pushing it here on the side to see if it goes through. If it's still wiggling, there's a screw here. You can turn it so that it can squeeze it really tight. If you push your hand and it doesn't move, that means it's good to press your tumbler on. It will keep your tumbler really tight. Okay. Okay, this is a filled tumbler. So okay, now I'm going to bake my tumbler. I've been baking tumbler for some time now. Okay, so let's do it. I'll turn my tumbler on. Okay, I hope you can see. I hope you can see the thermostat. Let me turn this light off. Okay. Okay. I will bake it 365 for 65 seconds. I will bake it like 35 seconds first with this side up, and then I will turn it for 30 more seconds. Okay, 30-35 more seconds, and then I will take it out and I will put the top back in for 4 seconds, and I will rotate it again 4 seconds, and I will push the bottom in for 4 seconds. I push it in to the half of it, and then I will turn it again for 4 seconds. So I will be sure that the bottom is done, like here is done, and the top is also done, because I do not want ghosting. I want to do it as perfect as possible. And don't forget that in the inner seam you should run a scraper, a card thingy, run it, or your nail if you have long nails, to the on the inner seam. The outer seam is it's not important. The inner seam is important, especially here and here, so that the overlapped paper can reach the cup here really well, so that you do not have ghosting. So let's get to it. Okay, put it in, close it. I will bake it 35 seconds, and then I will rotate it, like I said, to the other side. We're getting there. 32, 31, 30. Okay, and then I'll rotate it. Rotate it really well. Put it in the middle, close it, and do it for 30 more seconds. 30 to 35. Okay, and now, like I said, we're going to do the top, like the top. Push the top in to half of the cup for 4 seconds. 62, 61, 60, and then I'll rotate it. 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, and now I'll go for the bottom. This thing is hot. The bottom, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60. I'll rotate it, rotate the bottom. 64, 63, 62, 61, 60. Turn it off. Okay. Now I know my cup is done. will see how it, we'll see the result. Okay. Oh, I really forgot to say this. I am using sublimation paper, our own sublimation paper, and our own sublimation ink. That's what I'm using today, and you will see how amazing the color is. That's what I'm using today. Okay, let's see what we have. Ooh, look at that, it looks like cake. Do you see that? Okay. Do you see that? Is it a seam? That's the seam. Here is the seam. Okay. Look at the color release. There's almost nothing on the paper. You see that? This is sublimation paper, and this is our cup. This is our cup. You see, when I was telling you about the top, put it back in so that you don't have those things. See that? And look at the bottom too. I got a little bit smear here. Look at that. Look at that. Amazing, amazing. Look at the color. It looks like cake. Look at the color. Yeah. Look at the color. Take this off. Look at the color. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Like I told you, I've used sublimation paper. I've used sublimation paper and sublimation ink, and these are available on our website. And we also have blank tumblers. If you need blank tumblers, we have blank tumblers. We sell in bulk, but also single tumblers. So this is what I wanted to show you, how to press a sublimation tumbler on your tumbler press with sublimation paper and sublimation ink. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe and to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. And also like and share the channel, like and share the videos, and comment under the videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.